Let's make another healthy and delicious recipe for Thanksgiving using seasonal root vegetables. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we are committed to supporting as many people as possible, living healthier and more nutritious lives, which is why we always meet together every week in the kitchen. Today we're going to be making colorful roasted root vegetables. Let's begin by chopping up our root vegetables. You are welcome to switch any of these root vegetables out with your favorites. First, I have one sweet potato. After peeling and chopping off both ends, chop into about 1-inch size pieces. Next, I have one large rutabaga, which is a Swedish turnip. Peel and chop into 1-inch size pieces. Chopping up your vegetables into about the same size helps them roast more evenly. One large onion is next. I'm using a red onion, but feel free to use whatever you have on hand. Peel off the outer layer and chop up into your 1-inch size chunks. Last, I have 2 large carrots or parsnips. Peel and chop up. Place all of your chopped root vegetables into a large mixing bowl. Root vegetables are a great source of dietary fiber and resistant starch that support a healthy digestion and feed the good gut bacteria. They are also rich in vitamins and minerals because they grow so close to the soil. Drizzle your vegetables with 2 to 3 tablespoons of either heart-healthy olive or avocado oil. Toss to coat evenly. Next, we have our spices. I have 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, along with 1/2 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt and 1/8 teaspoon or more of cayenne pepper. Toss again to coat, either in a large cast iron skillet, baking sheet, or casserole dish. Spread out your coated vegetables into one layer. Roast in a 425-degree preheated oven for about 40 minutes. You know when they're done when a fork is easily inserted. If your vegetables aren't as brown as you'd like them to be, broil them for about 1 minute longer, watching them closely as not to burn. Don't these look beautiful? I can't wait to give them a try. I am going to add a fresh squeeze of lemon juice on top, just to boost the flavor a little bit more. I love to add fresh lemon juice. You don't need a lot, but a lot of times it really can have those flavors pop in your recipe. So let's give it a taste. That is a wonderful blend of spices. A little bit of that lemon juice is so good. It's so warming. So good for you, so good for your digestion. I hope you give these a try, and not just for your Thanksgiving meal, but anytime, especially during these colder winter months. These root vegetables are so good for you, and it's eating with the seasons, which makes them even more delicious and even more beneficial. I hope you give them a try. Thanks so much for being with me today. This is such a wonderful time of the year to reflect on all that we're grateful for. I hope that you and yours are healthy and well. Much love, and we look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen. Bye-bye.